Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to fix one of the most common Premiere Pro issues. That scary media offline message. By the end of this video, I believe you will know exactly how to relink missing clips and keep your edits running smoothly. Now, why do media go offline? First, let's understand why this happens. When you import a video into Premiere Pro doesn't copy the file into the project. It simply just link or maybe reference to where the file lives on your computer, or the drive you're using. Maybe you're using an external drive and all of that. So if you move, rename, or delete that file, Premiere Pro cannot find it. Then the next thing it shows you is what? Media offline. So as you can see on the screen, you can see that all these files are missing because one of the above mentioned has happened. It's either we've moved the folder, or we've renamed it, or we delete a file. So this video is how we're going to solve this issue. So to go about doing that, all you need to do is to highlight all of them, and there are two solutions anyway. You can exit this, you can close your Premiere Pro and look for the folder. If you have copied it somewhere, look for the folder and return it to that folder, then open it again. Or you don't even need to do that. All you need to do is to highlight all of it and right click, then scroll down until you find link media. Now when you find link media, it's telling you that if you look at here, all of them are in the same folder. It used to be in user HP, videos, and shams. Now it cannot find them. So all you need to do is to click on this locate button here and look for it. So it's on this now. It has been moved to this place. So we will look for it, removable D, and we look for our folder. Or we could just click on search. Now while searching, we found a clip that is this, but that is not what we are looking for, because this is just the memory card having all of that, but it's not what we are looking for. So we're looking for a folder called sham, and that folder, I'm not seeing it. So we go in again. I think it's inside this private, and then this root, then clips. So we have the folder here. So we just click on search, and then we click on OK. So once we click on OK, it loads everything back. You can see every of the dreaded media, offline media, has been, and then you can see that it's creating a pack for it. Now, to prevent this from happening, or from maybe in future occurrences or that, so you keep your footage in one master folder and don't rename or move the clip once you have imported them. You can also create project folder with subfolders for videos, audios, pictures, graphics, so that it can make the relinking easier if there is need for it at all. And that's it. Relinking media in Premiere Pro is quick once you know where to look. If you found this helpful, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and let's know your comment if you've lost file in a big project before. For now, bye-bye.